everyone, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Deb and today we'll be doing the unboxing of a very topical item. You know, there is air pollution everywhere in India, not everywhere, especially in the Delhi region, the Delhi NCR region, and this item is actually selling like hotcakes right now. This is an air purifier from Amazon, and this is actually one of the reasonably priced and very good quality air purifier that you can get. I would highly recommend this. This is LEVOIT air purifier. This is the mini one. There is also a big one that is available. I'll put the link of both of this below. This is very good reviews in Amazon, both from India and from abroad. So yeah, let me just show you around the box and then we'll do the unboxing. So it says meet LEVOIT, woman founded. Okay, I don't know how that is relevant. Eco-friendly, dedicated to clean air, modern user and race industry, blah blah blah, comfortable in their own home. So name and address, Singapore. Okay, this is made in Singapore and this is exported all over the world. Okay, the MRP of this is 10,900, that is 11,000, but I think you can get this for around 4,000. I'll put the price below in the screen. You can check that out, and also as I said, I'll put the link also of that in the description. You can check that out from there. Okay, country of origin, again people live with China, so this is made in China, so not sure. Supplier is from Singapore, manufacturer, okay, here it's written as manufacturer Singapore and country of origin China. I'm not sure where this is made. Okay, but most probably this is China. Okay, made in China, yes. Specifications, okay, let's not go into this. Humidity and operating conditions, this is fine, just plug it and it should run. This is the white one. I'm not sure if there are any other colors. Sleep friendly, so this is very quiet. That's again one thing why I brought this. I want to use this in my bedroom, so it has to be quiet when I sleep. Aromatherapy, okay, there is something extra here. I'll show you how this works. Easy one button control, 360-degree air intake. So it's round, so it takes the air from all around the surfaces. Okay, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Yeah, before first is remove the adapter. I'm not sure if you have seen the memes, but a few days back there was a lot of reels saying that people usually do not remove the plastic and they're using it like this for years on end. That does not make any sense. So they have given a big warning here. Before first is remove adapter and plastic from the filter. Very important. Remember to do that. Okay, so thermocol, extra protective layers, and this is how it looks. Okay, first let me take this out and see what else is there in the box. Some paperwork, so let me take this out. Okay, discover how to get more out of a product. So read this before you do. It's quite nice actually, and the range, okay, this really looks good. This is not this one, there are other ones made of steel. And okay, these are the various products. This is their manual, power code, how to do this, get air purifier. Okay, so read this. I always suggest that read this before you do, because otherwise things like not removing the plastic happens. Just go through this. I will do that later, and let's not make this video any longer. And again we have the warning again here, remove this. Okay, so you cannot miss that at all. Okay, that, let me just smell it. So the smell of new electronics, you know, you get it when you buy a new phone. This also has this. Okay, so 360-degree air intake. I can see there's hole all over the body. And core mini air purifier, made in China. Okay, 7 watt. This power supply, this is not rechargeable. You need the power supply. This needs to be plugged in at all times. Made in China, of course. Open, so you have to open this, I think, like this. Yes. Okay, and this is the aromatherapy part. So what you have to do is, let me open this. What you have to do is, you can bring this out, put any aromatic oils here, for example tea tree oil, rosemary oil, just put few drops. There is this foam, it's washable and can be changed, and then you put it inside, and then when the filtration happens you will get that aroma all over the home. Okay, this is the adapter. So that's what you're saying. Please remove the adapter. Let me just check. Okay, in some of the reviews I saw that the adapter was not Indian type, that was the European type, but thankfully they have changed this. This is Indian plug. You can plug it in any of your machines. No LED indicator, and this is actually the plug type. Okay, this is nice, not USB-C or A. And this is the air filter. I have to bring this out. Okay, nice. So felt like material, the air will be purified from here, and there is also instruction how to clean this. You can also buy extra if this gets really badly damaged or clogged. You can buy extra filters from their website. Let me take this out. Okay, so one step touch, 1 2 3, and I'm not sure what this is, clean or something. I have to read the manual for this. This is actually quite heavy. Okay, let me quickly just put it inside. Is there any top or bottom? I think not. It looks the same. So branding here, so I'll put this on top and like this, and twist to lock. Perfect. and to plug it in here. Yeah, and this is ready to go. Okay, I'll plug this in and let's see how this works. I have plugged this in. Now let's turn this on. Okay, little bit air is okay. The air is coming out, and let's go to 2. Okay, not oh, okay. So that's how it works. So you turn it on. This is the only touch surface here. Push it again. It goes to 2. Yeah, the flow actually increased. I'm not sure if you can hear the sound. There's a sound. And the sound increased and the flow of air also increased. That is nice. And this indicator is if the filter is clogged. So this is the clean filter icon. I guess this will glow red or something like that. When that does, open this, take out the filter and clean it. And another thing, this part where you have to put the aromatic oil, this is actually very good mechanism. You can put this like this, it goes flush, and then you press this again, it comes back. So this is actually very, very convenient. I really like this for now. So, and yeah, I can feel the air going out, going in from the bottom. And yeah, I will use this for a few days, and I will do the full review of this unit very, very soon. So if you want to see that, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and check out our latest videos. Yeah, goodbye.